Hi to everyone. Welcome to Electrical Mind. So today topic is about the somewhat interesting topic about the solar botanic renewable energy sources using nanotechnology. This topic is I took this topic from my when I was in BTech. I set this topic as a technical seminar. So this is an interesting topic. So solar botanic renewable energy sources using nanotechnology means in this we use the artificial tree which produces the electrical energy. So this solar power tree is the structure that is designed like our natural trees that we see with branches, trunk and leaves. This solar botanic tree has the nano leaves that converts the solar power into electrical energy. So these by this tree the electrical energy is created in three ways, that is light, heat and wind. So for light energy to electrical energy we use nano photovoltaic generators in the leaf. We use the nano photovoltaic generators in leaf to convert the light energy into electrical energy. Coming to heat energy to electrical energy, we use nano thermoelectric cells. Thermoelectric cells means it is related to the heat. So which these are nano thermoelectric cells which converts the solar heat into electrical energy. By observing the solar heat, that kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. So last one is wind, through wind energy to electrical energy. So for this wind energy to electrical energy we use nano piezoelectric generators that can convert the wind energy into electrical energy. So coming to the construction part, we have in solar tree we have the trunk and nano leaves. So this trunk part is which connects to the nano leaf with its root. So this trunk is connected to the leaves with its roots. So this allows the nano leaves to harvest the solar radiation and wind energy into electrical energy. So this trunk is made up of this trunk part is made of eco-friendly polymers. Coming to the nano leaf means it is a thin, it looks like a thin and it seems to be like a natural leaf, which this nano leaf is made up of the materials in a leaf designed to convert that leaf can able to convert the three energy sources, that means heat, light, wind energy into electrical energy. లైట్, హీట్, విండ్ ఎనర్జీని ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసే విధంగా ఈ లీఫ్ని డిజైన్ చేస్తారు. మెటీరియల్స్ వాటికి తగ్గ మెటీరియల్ అనేది యూజ్ చేసి ఈ లీఫ్ని తయారు చేస్తారనమాట. సో దీస్ లీవ్స్ ఆర్ ఎక్సలెంట్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద electrical energy. The nano leaves only reflect a small part of the sunlight that which strikes them. The sunlight which strikes the leaf is very small part, but the rest of the spectrum means it is the wavelength of the light that is converted into the electrical energy. These leaves can also convert the invisible light, that means infrared radiations, IR radiations. Due to this unique combination, due to this different combination, the photovoltaic cell and the thermovoltaic cells in leaves can convert the thermal radiation, that means invisible radiations into the electrical energy even after there is no sunlight. Even after the sunset also these leaves can produce the electrical energy by converting the thermal radiations. So when the coming to the wind energy to convert the wind energy to electrical energy, wind energy to electrical energy, um, the working principle behind this is when the wind is more, the leaves move more, cause mechanical strain in the twigs and branches. So when the wind is more, the branches and the twigs will move fast due to these so due to this movement, the mechanical strain is created in the leaves. So these nano piezoelectric elements that are in twigs and branches generate the millions of picowatts of electrical energy, and these thousands of, so in a tree we have thousands of leaves. So these thousands of nano leaves flap back and forth, move front and back and forth due to the wind, and creates a flap frequency and creates a stronger wind and higher flap frequency. Due to this higher frequency, we get the larger amount of watts of power is generated in the twigs and branches. So this principle is working principle is regarding the wind energy. So in wind energy, what we use is piezoelectric generators. So after this, the working principle of the wind energy to electrical energy regarding the light and heat energy is the same principle that that I already told. Only a small part of the sunlight that strikes the leaves, and remaining rest of the spectrum, that means wavelength, is converted into the electrical energy, and that this principle is for the light energy. And after that, due to the infrared radiation in the weather, we see the weather is very hot. So due to this hot weather, the radiation, due to this invisible hot radiations are also converted into the electrical energy. This is about the work. The construction and the working principle of the solar tree, the generation that we can get from solar trees, if we plant solar trees of for example, if we plant 1,80,000 solar trees along the road of 2000 kilometers approximately, 2000 kilometers, if we plant 1 lakh trees, that would generate 1.2 gigawatts of electrical energy. So these energy harvesting trees would look like a natural and normal trees, like mini forests. It look like a mini forest, so which can be silently produce the electrical energy. So regarding this, the electrical energy can be produced by this is very large and effectively. So regarding the advantages and disadvantages of the solar trees, advantages are we have no pollution and it is eco-friendly, and a large amount of power is generated through the solar power plant. Solar botanic tree, artificial tree. So disadvantages, this may affect the eyesight due to the reflectors that we use in the tree, and it is danger for birds and insects. So these are the disadvantages of the solar botanic tree. So the applications that we can see is these are used in the golf courses and deserts, etc. So with this, the topic is completed. So this is about the solar botanic రెన్యూబుల్ ఎనర్జీ సోర్సెస్ యూజింగ్ నానో టెక్నాలజీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.